Got the bike out of the truck. Little walk around. Honda CRF450R Works Edition. I was so mad this morning when I was literally just like walking it to the truck to load it in. I like tripped over my crock and then I dumped the bike on the pavement. So annoying. It's like so dumb, but whatever. We are at my buddy Jimmy's house, or not Jimmy, but his brother-in-law. They have a private track he used to race, so they have a track down here in the woods. I came here last weekend, got a little time on the bike, but now we're gonna spend the whole day just kind of like I've been getting better riding, but we still need to kind of just perfect things, get comfortable on the bike. I still get arm pump like crazy. It's seriously been like 15 years since I've been consistently riding and racing. So but last weekend I was hitting some jumps. I didn't really record that much. I recorded like some stuff for my Instagram, but I don't know, I just wanted to like focus on riding. But now this is day 3 on the bike, day 3 or 4, so definitely give some good footage of me ripping it. So this side was like a little push forward. I might get some white grips. That'd be cool. I was thinking about changing the plastics to like white. So cool about like riding these days. The freaking gear. Like, look at this helmet. Alpine Stars, so sick. This brand, I'm sure all you motocross guys know, but like Fast House, dude. I got this little jersey from Fast House. Cool. Wear it later. The brand itself reminds me of like in CrossFit, like rads, where like middle fingers, like don't care, you know, just like, I don't know, that like underdog kind of cool brand. It's cool.
He's coming later.
Yeah, he said he might come by.
Okay. Tell him to get over here. He ain't doing nothing.
Thank you again for letting me come out here.
Yeah, you're welcome.
This is amazing.
He's like last night, he's like, yeah, Jim's friend Raymond. I was like, oh, that's so cool.
Yeah. There's the track. Oh man, he like covered all those nasty ruts. That's cool. So I don't know if you can see, like we got a little grilling out station. They got the big creek, got the track. Yeah, so we're gonna get a little couple warm-up laps. I got my mic here, or my camera. I have the mic connected here. I didn't have a good Velcro to put it inside the helmet, so I hope the audio is okay. This is a jump right here that I overshot the other day. All right, guys. It's getting nice out, so I can just like take the hoodie off. So obviously, like I haven't ridden in like 15 years, so I'm getting used to it. Don't hate on me, whatever. I can jump, I can turn, but like not super fast, right? But I turned down the suspension. I'm trying to understand, or like really feel out the suspension. When I was younger, when I raced, I didn't like mess with any suspension at all. I mean, I was like 15, 14. I think I stopped when I was like 16. So, but now we're trying to like dial in suspension. So I just did one click down to make it a little softer. I feel like when I'm going around turns, it's like I'm like fighting the rear end. It doesn't want to like sink into a turn. If that makes sense. So We're gonna give it a couple rips, see how it feels, man. We're just taking our time, dude. You know, I just want to be out here. I mean, look at this beautiful weather. It is just beautiful. All right, guys, the arm pump is still there, getting a little bit better. I feel like there's just this sense of hesitation. Honestly, I'm a little scared still of the bike. Like I said, it's been 15 years. So what do you want from me? But yeah, so getting a little bit more comfortable. But I just need to keep practicing. Need to keep trying to stand up, not sit down so much. I want to like sit down all the time. I feel like my boots, I'm not used to like shifting. So like, I feel like I have to shift when I sit. I can't sit down every time I got to shift like this. So working on it. God damn it. Oh.
A lot of mulch and stuff there. We still got all that to put in it.
Yep.
To build a couple more things. But the dirt is the problem. We got some dirt up there. And
Yeah.
Amy and them, I think, we're allowed to use.
Yeah.
In the time to do it. It's been down here for, well, hell, I've been riding down here since I've been 13, probably.
Oh, that's awesome.
Something like
Damn.
that.
Yeah, I came here last weekend and then this weekend, so.
Yeah, last weekend's when I went to Bud's.
Yeah.
Saturday,
Yeah,
I went to Bud's.
that's cool.
It was all right, but my bike was trash. I kind of said screw it and pushed through it, but I know when I'm flowing or when I'm not, you know?
Yeah.
And I know when the bike's right or when it ain't. And
Yeah.
when the bike's jacked up, man, you get all out of shape. And
All right, guys. Got the bike back in the truck. Definitely put some good time on it today. Still, obviously, I mean, today's like third or fourth day, I think. I'm not gonna really count the first day. So this is like the third day of actually like at a track trying to ride. So obviously we got a lot of work to do. Just got to put more time in, keep working on that technique. But I will, thanks for watching. I will see y'all later.